How to use iOS 15 drag and drop feature to move files between apps. With the recently launched iOS 15, Apple has introduced several new features on iPhone, and one of them is drag and drop. This feature has been on the iPad for a while, but now iPhone users on iOS 15 can also use this to make multitasking easy on their phones. Please note first that this feature is not available on all the apps on your iPhone. To make use of this feature, developers need to first integrate it into their app. Apple's own apps including Safari, Mail, Messages, and Files support this feature. Also, some third-party apps like Gmail and Telegram support drag and drop. Which files can you drag and drop? Obviously photos. Apart from this, you can also drag text, videos, links, audio, as well as PDFs. However, note that both apps should support the file format. Steps to use drag and drop on iPhone. 1. First, open an app that supports the feature. For example, you can drag a photo from Safari to Messages. The steps are the same if you want to drag text, links, or any other files. 2. Now select that photo you want to drag. Hold a finger on it until there's little vibration. 3. Important. Don't lift your finger from the screen and drag it until it starts floating. 4. Just keep your finger pressed and with another finger open that app in which you want to drop this photo. 5. Now, with the finger that's holding the photo, go to that destination app and release the finger to drop the photo. If you want to send more than one photo, then tap other photos one by one, or if you are in the Photos app, just select one photo until it floats and then tap on other photos to add this. Then with another finger open the destination app and send it. That is it. Quite simple, right? So this is how you can use drag and drop feature on your Apple device with iOS 15 to move photos or other accepted files. Check out the latest iOS 15 devices in the description box below.